Welcome to the guiding candle where gentle stories light the way through life's darkest hours. We tell true-to-life stories of love lost and found, starting over after heartbreak, rediscovering purpose after retirement, and navigating life's quiet but powerful turning points. These are stories that don't shout, they whisper, they comfort, and they remind us of the strength in softness. Every video is carefully written, voiced, and crafted using AI blending technology with humanity to share moments that heal, inspire, and connect. If you've ever lit a candle for hope, if you've ever searched for light in the middle of uncertainty, if you believe that small stories can carry big truths, then this space is for you. Subscribe now, and let's walk together one gentle, soul-lit story at a time.